that we are going to take care of our school, as we have prepared 5 baskets for you to put the wastage of your school, like organic and paper and plastic and glass and metal. These are the 5 baskets. So you have to use for throwing the wastage of the school, like anything thrown in the ground, like the leaves. So organic you have to put in this basket, and the paper contains wastage. You have to put paper here, and then you have to put the plastic there, and then the metal in another basket, and the glass another basket. So there are different colors of it is given different color of the basket, and you have to put these things in this basket. So this is the message from our Chief Minister, Malik Nawaz, and we have to take care of our school. We have to take care of the environment. We have to make Punjab a clean Punjab. So this is our school, St. Mary's Boys Convent school in Sahiwal. So we are taking care of the environment. So we love environment, and even our church teaching is very much give us encourage us to take care of the environment. And Pope Francis in the Dr. C encyclical also say that we have to take care of our environment for the better living of the humanity. So thank you and God bless you. And I encourage the teachers and students to take care of the environment.